Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the scanner station in Subnautica 2. Now, I'm just going to assume immediately that you already have the scanner on you, so I'm not going to bother with providing the locations of its blueprints. Alright, over to your scanning station. Pick whatever metal or resource that you want. For this example, I'm going to be scanning for sulfur. Since sulfur is inside the hot biome with all the geothermal vents, it's best that you should use a tadpole to get there and some food or water. Now, once you've scanned the sulfur or material that you want, you should see these blobs on the scan. Hover your mouse over to the blobs and press left click. This should place a pin down on your screen of where it is located from you. Once you have the location pinned, just go over to the location, collect it, and you're good to go. Also, I would like to mention as well that even if you have mined that resource, it will still appear on the scanner and you can still pin it. As far as I know, most metals or minerals don't respawn, so be mindful of which ones you've already mined out, since the scanner won't know which is mined out or not. And that's about it on how to use the scanner in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.